And I went in, I had diabetes, and they wanted to amputate my left foot. I got out of surgery, and he told me there was a horrible mistake, and they amputated the right foot, and I'm sick to my stomach.
You're kidding me.
I have to come back in 2 weeks to have the other one correctly amputated because they have to wait for the healing process. And they told me that I probably want to speak to an attorney, and they understood. It's St. Vincent's Hospital.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah, and there's no reason why I have to be.
You just got home today?
Yeah, I just got released, and my wife isn't even home from work yet. She hasn't seen me yet.
Oh, great.
So, do I have a case or what?
Yeah, you do.
What do I do?
You can find the home, obviously, right?
I'm sorry?
You can find the home?
I'm confined. I thought you said, can I find a home?
No, I'm sorry. You know what it is? It's Friday afternoon at 4:30, and everyone's gone, and I was just...
Well, I just figured I'd get started on this because they're going to pay for this.
Okay.
They're going to pay an arm and a leg for this.
Yeah. All right.
Literally, right?
Yeah. Hello, you there?
Yeah, could you hold 1 second?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Yes.
no problem. All right, listen, are you going to be... Where do you live?
I live at 244 West 23rd Street.
Okay. You be in Monday?
I can't go anywhere, so...
No, I can come over there.
Okay.
It's a holiday.
Apartment 10B.
Yeah.
And I'm sick to my stomach. What kind of settlement can we look for?
Quite a lot.
I mean, I've heard this story before, but I didn't expect it to happen to me.
I don't understand. You had diabetes.
Right.
And they have to amputate your leg because you have no circulation.
Well, I didn't listen to the doctor, and I ate the sugar, and I kept up with the Coca-Cola. I have a sweet tooth.
Yeah, okay.
And they told me no sugar at all. But I buy the Jolt soda. You ever hear of Jolt?
Yeah, extra sugar.
Extra sugar, extra caffeine.
I didn't know they still made it.
Well, I don't drink coffee, and I need that extra pep in the morning.
Yeah.
And it cost me a leg, and now it costs me two.
I don't understand. They took the wrong leg, and they...
Yeah, well, when I came out Thursday afternoon, and I woke up, the doctor said had some horrible news. So he said, try and move your left leg. So I moved it, and it was there, and I had the feeling. And he goes, now try and move your right one. So I moved the right one, and there was no feeling.
Yeah.
So I said, what happened? So he said, Mark, are you sitting down? I said, sure. He said, we have some horrible news. There's been a horrible, tragic mistake. And I said, don't tell me. And he lifted the sheets, and all bandaged up was my right knee. And I looked down in horror, and I was screaming. I'm screaming. Then he goes, we're going to give you something to sedate you.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
What type of work were you doing?
I was in the garment center.
Doing what?
I was making lady sweaters.
How long were you doing that for?
I was doing that for 6 years. But now, I'm going to need, I thought at least, I got a prosthetic leg or,
Yeah.
But now I'm going to need two, and my lifestyle's going to change.
Yeah, I would say so.
I can't run the marathon anymore or anything like that because I was in great shape.
Mark, what's your last name?
Green. Green.
All right. Listen,
What kind of money are we looking at?
Well, you're looking at quite a lot of money. You're looking at seven, 8 figures, which means more than 10 million.
That will help a little bit. But as far as my wife coming home and seeing me this afternoon, I'm just, it's hard enough that, she had to know that I was going to lose one, but to lose two, there's no reason for this. No reason whatsoever.
All right, listen.
This is malpractice if I ever saw it.
Yeah.
So do you want to get involved?
Yeah. Listen, I can come over early Monday morning.
Okay. You want my wife to pick up bagels or something?
If she'd like.
Yeah, she'll get some bagels. Where, you like plain salt?
Plain's good.
Okay.
You don't have to offer me anything, though.
What? I'm serious. Yeah, I'm sorry.
What's your phone number?
Hold on 1 second. These calls are coming in. He wants to see how I'm feeling. Hold on.
Time me up Monday.
Well, I don't think I'm going to get much sleep all weekend, to be honest with you.
Should I come I can be there at 9:30. Should I get there at 11? Everything's closed Monday.
My wife will pick up the bagels whenever you want to start eating and then sit down and talk at the dinner table.
All right, come over about 10.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's no problem. Cats don't bother you, do they?
No sweat.
Because we have about 6 or 7 cats.
Let's see. That's no problem. That's really a terrible thing to happen.
You like whitefish or lox or something, salmon?
Are you
Well,
Jewish?
yeah.
Oh, me too. So
You're white.
I love it, but don't.
She'll put out a little spread for us.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. It's apartment 10B, 244 West 23rd Street.
Right.
Okay. So I'll see.
It's a beautiful apartment. Wait till you see my view. But I guess I'm going to have a nicer one now, right?
Yeah.
How long does the settlement usually take?
Well, here's the thing. To be honest, perfectly honest about it, there's no way to tell. Some cases will settle in a couple of weeks.
And some will be drawn out for years.
Some will take you 1 or 2 years. Some will take you longer.
But we're going to get something, right?
You don't really have any problem.
One more question.
Yeah.
How much do you work on? What do you take, a third?
We usually work on a 1/3 contingency. It actually comes out to less than a third.
I mean, let's go for their throat. They took my leg.
Yeah.
Okay? And I'm going to see you on Monday, and now I feel a little bit better.
Okay.
I'm going to try and get some rest. I'll have everything ready for you when you get here. Coffee, dark or light?
Well, a little bit of milk.
A little bit of milk.
Yeah.
Sugar, sweet and low?
No sugar.
Because I love sugar.
Okay. Forget about the sugar.
Yeah, I'm going to stop now.
Okay.
I'll see you on Monday morning.
All right.
Thanks.